What's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy USDT on MoonPay. So it's really quite easy. The first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you've already created your profile, verified your account, and activated your portfolio for smooth transactions. So after that, you will just have to select or click buy, which is on the bottom of your screen, and what you will have to do is you will search for USDT. So go ahead and look for that, and after you see your USDT, what you will have to do is just enter the amount that you want, and then of course you will select your payment method after that. So you will of course continue with USDT or something like that. So what you will have to do after you select your payment method is you will complete the verification if prompted, and then after that you will just have to confirm the transaction, and your USDT should appear in your MoonPay wallet, and you can now send your USDT to any wallet or exchange. And yeah, USDT keeps your funds stable, making it ideal for transfers or crypto trading. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.